Hello and welcome back to our free code camp course on regular expressions. This is match literal strings. It says in the last challenge you search for the word hello using the regular expression hello. That regex searched for a literal match of the string hello. Here's another example searching for a literal match of the string Kevin. We have let test string, so this is our test string. Hello, my name is Kevin. We say let test regex be assigned this pattern here, Kevin test regex dot test, and then we throw in our test string. It should return true. So any other forms of Kevin will not match. For example, the regex Kevin will not match lowercase Kevin or uppercase Kevin. Let wrong regex is assigned Kevin with a lowercase. Wrong regex dot test string would return false. A future challenge will show you how to match those other forms as well. So there are ways of saying, hey, I want any form of the name Kevin, and we'll learn those in other challenges. So complete the regex, Waldo regex, to find Waldo in the string Waldo is hiding with a literal match. So Waldo regex here, we want to find Waldo within here. That's really all we would have to do for this one. We know that if we console.log and put in result, we should get true, and we do. So we're just kind of let's run test. We did pass. Just kind of embedding this idea in your head. We have a regex pattern we're searching for. We have a test string that we're going to search within to see whether or not that regex or that pattern is found within that string. As long as you're getting that, you guys are getting these regular expressions, and as we move on, we will learn more complicated patterns to search for, as it said here. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.